guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, we have two best wireless microphone now. AB World guys. So we have here a GODOX. This is a GODOX wireless microphone. Yeah, WEC-C1. And we have also here the Hollyland Lark M2. So this is two smallest wireless microphone. And again, same function all. They have same like you have charging case. Again, you have both of these have a charging case, but Hollyland Lark Max is already included with the Lightning and USB-C and of course 3.5. While the GODOX it's only 3.5 jack, so you need to convert or buy a conversion. But GODOX is small, it's more cheaper compared for the Hollyland Lark M2. But again, this vlog is not to compare the side by side, but the quality of the sound, audio quality or sound quality of both GODOX and Lark M2. So let's try to use both of these microphones side by side, and you will see in indoor and outdoor. And yeah, so again, without further ado, before anything else, if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's start. So again guys, yeah, this is the sound quality of the GODOX WEC-C1. So this is the wireless microphone guys. I will show you the mic, the top of our camera. So this is the GODOX. Yeah. Okay. So again, this is the sound quality of the GODOX WEC wireless microphone. So, yan. I don't know how many meters is one, pare. I don't know. 1, 3, 6, 9, maybe 15. Like 15 meters, right? So, ayan. This is again the sound quality, and we are using the GODOX WEC. Can more? Try. So again. Yan. So this is the sound quality guys of the WEC. Again, I will not do any editing or adjustment from the audio. So whatever you hear is the raw or direct file from the GODOX WEC wireless microphone. Again, I will not edit or any adjustment for the microphone. So again, this is the sound quality of the GODOX WEC wireless microphone. So next, we will try the Hollyland Lark M2. And again guys, so this is the Hollyland Lark M2. So I'm gonna show you the receiver. So receiver is already in our camera. It's the Sony ZV-1. And this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark M1. And shout out to Alpha. Yan. You bought already pare? Hollyland? Yeah, so it's using also the Hollyland Lark M2. Shout out kay Alpha. Yan. So again, testing for the range. Yeah, I think I'm 15 meters, 20 meters from the camera. So this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark M2. Again, I will not do any adjustment or editing from our audio. What you hear is what direct audio file from the wireless microphone. Hollyland Lark M2. So yan, let's try again to use in outdoor. So let's go. So guys, this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark M2. And so we are here outdoor, outside the Symphony Mall. And so it's 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. I think. Yeah, and you can hear some sound from passing cars here. And again, yeah, so this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark M2. So, and there's a lot of noise here, guys, outside. So, yeah, let's see the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark M2. Again, for the final, this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark M2. So, let's switch and use the GODOX. And this is the GODOX WEC-C1. Okay, this is the sound quality of the GODOX WEC-1. So, yan, we're here outdoor, same settings with the Hollyland default settings. So I didn't do any adjustments. So, yan, what you hear is what you get from this GODOX WEC wireless microphone. So again, guys, this is the side-by-side audio quality of two wireless, best cheap wireless microphone or affordable microphone in the market now, so in 2024. Again, just check the GODOX WEC, the C1, and the Hollyland Lark M2. So yeah, you have more variety now of selection. So next time we will check some another brand and compare. If you have any suggestion or question, you can comment down below, and we'll try to yeah tackle next video. So yeah, I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Back to the showroom. And that's it for today, guys. So again, we test already both of this wireless microphone. Again, sound quality for me, I like the Holyland. But again, not because I prefer the Holyland. Also, the Godox have a good sound quality for your camera. So we test only now for camera for our ZBE ZV1. So again, price wise, Godox is more cheaper, half the price. For the half the price for a Holyland. Do the amazing job. So a good wireless microphone, guys, with a good price, of course. Again, half the price of the Hollyland Lark M2. But Hollyland Lark M2, you have already your adapter for your mobiles, USB-C or Lightning. And again, it's the smallest wireless microphone. So this is what I want. It's magnetic type wireless microphone. Then you can put here and magnet. Then yeah, and it's very compact. So and guys, again, we have here the Godox WECC1 and the Lark M2 and combo. So you can purchase combo or USB-C or just Lightning or 3.5. So and I think that's it for today, guys. Vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of these both wireless microphone from Godox and Holyland, you can visit our website www.avworld.com. On this scenario, I'm using only the shotgun microphone from Rode. So, yeah, in this scene. Yan, hanggang dito na lang, guys. Again, flex time. Flex natin. Ang behind the camera, si Home. Thank you, Home. See? This is Home, guys. Yeah, so thank you, Home. So if you need any assistance regarding photo and video gears, you can come here and you can go with Home. Can help you guys. Yeah. Again, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you. www.abworld.com. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.